Hi, I'm Fox Stove, and this is Survival Boys. Let's get into it. Bungle. This is the most remote location in North America. A tribe even lives here called the Bungle. See this? You thinking what I'm thinking? Found this in a gutter. You can drink any water you want, as long as it's clear. It's either kill or be killed. Look at this, look. The sign of the Bungle tribe. Bungle. We're going up in search of more tribe artifacts. Come on, let's go. We have just found the last trace of the human settlement. Watch closely. Pro tip, white ivy, poisonous to the human. Is that white ivy? Oh my god! This is not for the faint of heart. Caterpillar meat, good for protein. So right here, I've already collected some sticks. I'm gonna start a fire. It's getting pretty dark out, and you know, there's some threats over here. All you have to do, grab some sticks, grab yourself a poker stick, and just twist. That's all there is. You just gotta keep going. You know, you just don't stop. Just keep going. Let's cut away to a montage. Now I'm setting up posts because I want to lay off the ground. All you gotta do is get some sharp sticks. Just set up your post, you jam it. Just keep jamming it. Just keep jamming it. You do it to the next one. You know, you jam it. Jam it. Jam! Okay. Works for me. Lastly, you want to get a good night's rest, because tomorrow is a big day.